Soldier boy, how about the bed? Take a look in the mirror, say what's up.
How does she go?
I'm getting money.
Kim, are you okay?
Oh my god.
Kim, are you really okay? That's not like it hurt.
Yeah. I get money. That shit falls. I'm out of breath now. That shit hurt. Where's my pocket? Oh.
You know I'm still recording you, right? You're supposed to be dancing. What happened?
Yeah.
Oh my god! That's why you bust your ass. Go ahead, fall again if you really want to.
She like...
Kim, I'm gonna stop it, okay?